I've received this video by email at 7 o'clock this morning. This is groundbreaking, so I decided to share it with you. So let's begin.
This is a huge announcement and the news is spreading like a wildfire. Would you like to learn how to go from $0 to $10,000, $100,000, or even $1 million in sales? Selling other people's products, starting from scratch? Imagine this. You don't need to create any of these: own a product, recruit, huge overhead, support team, storefront. It's truly the simplest, most effective way for you to finally create a real, solid online business that you'll be proud of. Set yourself up for multiple streams of income. Carlos E. Rojas.
Don't delay, click the link below to join our team today.